Windows 11 touchpad not working has become an annoying problem in recent times, and most users are experiencing this issue. So if you are also one of them, and if the touchpad is not working in your Windows 11, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will show you how to fix touchpad not working on Windows 11. Method 1. Update the touchpad driver. Open the Start menu, type in Device Manager and press Enter. Expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on your mouse and select the Update Driver option. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now select the specific one for your mouse and click on Next. You will see Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Once done, restart the computer and check if the touchpad is working properly. If you find manually checking and updating the drivers time-consuming, you can try a dedicated tool like Advanced Driver Updater to update all your outdated drivers at once. To use this tool, download and install Advanced Driver Updater. You can also use the link in the description. Launch Advanced Driver Updater. Click on the Start Scan Now button. Wait for the scanning process to complete. Now it will show you a list of all the outdated drivers. Click the Update driver next to the driver you wish to update. If you are a registered user, you can update all outdated drivers at once by clicking the Update All button. Reboot the system after updating the driver. Method 2. Using Troubleshoot Settings. Open the Start menu, search for Troubleshoot Settings and click on it. Select Other Troubleshooters option. If you are using a Bluetooth mouse, you may have to select Bluetooth. Otherwise, scroll down to Keyboard and click on Run. And it will show you if there is any issue so that you can fix it. Method 3. Using Command Prompt. Open the Start menu, type CMD in the search bar, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Next, in the Command Prompt window, type SFC followed by a space, / scan now and hit Enter. Wait for the process to get completed. Once done, restart your computer. Hope these solutions will help you to solve your touchpad issues on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.